Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use borders in CSS. Let's get started. Okay, at first I'm going to create some classes. Okay, p and then class that is equals to, I will call it as whatever name you need you can give. I'm just calling it as um, I am 1. Okay, and then go close this, and then I'm going to type I will be dotted. Okay, and then I'm just going to copy this and then paste it more times. I will paste it 5 times. Okay, I pasted it 5 times, and then I'm going to change the name. I will call it as this class as 2, this class as 3, and this class as 4, and this class as 5, and this class as 6. Okay, and then I will second will be, I will change it to dashed. Okay, and then third one will be a solid. Okay, I'm going to give a solid border here, that's why. And then I'm going to change it as double. Okay, it would be double, and then this one will be a group. Okay, GROUP group, and then this will be a ridge border, RIDGE. Okay, and then ridge, and then I'm going to save this, and I'm going to my style sheet, and I'm going to erase everything. Okay, and now I'm going to call the functions here, that I'm going to call the classes. At first I'm going to call paragraph, that's D, class will be dotted. Okay, and then this one will be, I give the border style, and it will be dotted. Okay, dotted, semicolon, and I'm going to save this. Oh sorry, here what I mentioned the name, I am 1, right? And this should be p.im1. Okay, I am 1. Now you can see the things are working right, like that. For the second, p.im2, and this will be my border style. I am just going to copy this whole thing and then pasting here. Okay, here border style will be, what will be my border style for IM2? I gave dashed. Okay, just I'm going to change here as dashed. Okay, now you can see the thing is dashed. Okay, and I'm going to copy it again, and I'm pressing enter and pasting it, and then this will be my M3. Okay, like that. I'm going to copy these things again, pasting here. This one will be my 4th, and then like that. This one will be my 5th, and this one will be my 6th one. Okay, 6th one. Then like that I'm going to change this as dashed. Okay, and check, this one will be a solid, SOLID, solid. Okay, and then this one will be my double. Okay, and this one will be my group, GROUVE group, and this one will be my ridge, RIDGE. Okay, Now you can see different types of borders here, and then here I am going to add more. Okay, just copy this and go down and then paste it. Okay, I am going to add a outside border, outside. Okay, and then I am going to change this as 7. Okay, and then again I'm going here, and this one will be my 8th one, and here this will be insert one, insert. Okay, I hope spelling is correct. No, it one insert, it's actually insert. Okay, and then I'm going down, and then I will add a hidden. Okay, I think let it be. I will do a hidden one. Okay, so this one will be my 10th one, this one will be my 9th one, and this one will be a hidden, and this one will be no border, that will be none. Okay, and then I am going here, and then I am going to copy this again. Okay, pasting here, changing the names, this will be 7, and then going here, pasting it again, this will be 8, and going here, changing it, pasting this, and this one will be 9, and then pasting here, this one will be 10. Okay, after the read I have to change it as outset. Okay, I am going to change it as outset. Okay, see, this one will be outside border, and this one will be inside border. Okay, and this one will be no border, that will be none, and this one will be hidden border, HIDD, hidden border. Okay, like that you can add borders in CSS to your project. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching, guys.